friends, welcome back to our second mini Monday of August. We are going to jump in today with our mini challenges binder, and I am so excited to get started today. So let's jump in. Today we are going to be playing with, I want to say maybe about $60. I didn't have any singles, so I am playing with $2 bills that I have. And let me grab my dice tower. I've got my bell here. Hopefully I remember to ring it if I complete any challenges, but for the most part, I think everything is fairly new. Give me 1 second to grab the dice. Okay, I'm gonna try to play slightly different today, and I'm a little slow with this, and it doesn't help that the sun is going down. I got home a bit late, but I'm trying to catch the last bit of sun that I can. And I am going to roll my 8-sided die to tell me which challenge will get the money. And my 4-sided die will tell me how many bills to add to each envelope. I absolutely hate playing this way, but it's just the second Monday in August, so we're going to give it a try. And I know that we are starting with this challenge here. Okay, so let's see what we've got. And it doesn't matter where we're starting because we're putting a 1 on number 4, which is right here. 1 bill for number 4. Oops. That's the other thing. When you're playing with the 4-sided die, it's just a little bit hard to pick up. So number 6 is getting 3. How is everyone doing? Number 1 is getting 2 bills. Has the school year started for you guys with your kiddos? Number 3 is getting 3 bills. 1, 2, and 3. Number 4 is getting, number 4 is getting 3 bills. Let's see. Number 4 is getting 2 bills. Okay. Number 7 is getting 4 bills. Wow. Number 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you kidding? Number 4 is getting 3 bills. This is why I don't like to play this way. But I'm trying to mix it up and do some things differently at times. Number 2 is getting 2 bills, and great, number 2 hasn't gotten any money until now. Okay, let's see what else. We're not giving number 4 any more money. I'm sorry. Number 7 again. Number 7 is getting 3 bills. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this is probably the last roll. Oops. Number 2. Okay, where's the dice? Number 8 is getting 1 bill. Let's see. And number 2 is getting 2. Perfect. So let's see who didn't get any money. I want to say, is it number 5 or 6? 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 didn't get money. 5 or 6. No. Okay. Let's, come on. Open this up a little bit. Oh, you can still see it. And let me grab a marker. 1 second. Okay, I had to turn on lights. Okay. So for challenge number 1, this is by Tobin Budgets on YouTube, and that is the name of the Etsy shop. And this is Villains Take Over, and this is, I guess it's a collab with Norelli's Budgets and Budgeting with Lysandra. And this is going to go for dental for me, and it received $4. And I'm trying to think, how many did I? 3, 7, 10, 14. So 2 each. Perfect. So we are going to mark off 1, 2 for this challenge here. Next, we have this little cutie, which is part of the August monthly for the YouTube channel is Beautifully Me and You, and her Etsy shop is Beautiful Budgets Co. The creator's name is Celisa, and this one received $2, $4, $6, $8. And let's see if we can do 8. We can do, yep, and I'd rather do this. Let's do this 7 and this 1 for 8. I feel like I get stuck with some of the larger numbers, and then I am just in a mess. Next is Jess Saves, this little cutie. It is part of a Toy Story little series, and it received $5. Each icon is worth $1. So we are going to mark off, can you see this? We're going to mark off 5 of these. 1, okay. And Jess Saves, I believe, is her Etsy shop and her YouTube. Next, this one just took all the money. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, $18. That is half of what we need. And then there was already $13 in here. So let's see how much we have in total for this one now. We've got 5, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 29, 30, 31. So we literally need $5 left to complete this challenge. And is there something that totals 5? We'll have to do these 2 here. That's 3 and 2. So we'll check off this one here, 4, and 1. So 3, 4, 5. Okay. Wow. Yeah, this one was cleaning up today. Number 4. And this is by Kip and Lou. And I believe this is on their Etsy shop, which is Kip and Lou. And the name of the YouTube, I believe, is The Budgeting RT. So that one was added last week, the first Monday, and it will be done very shortly. Okay, so number 5 did not get anything. Number 6 didn't get anything. This is super cute too. But just so that I let you know, I'm trying to remember. Again, I can never, did I write it on the back? I didn't write it on the back. I need to do that. I can't remember the name of the creator for this Spy Family trio, but I will link it in the description below. And this one here is by Cute Little Budgets. It's a download on their Etsy shop, and I believe Cute Little Budgets is also their YouTube channel. So those 2 didn't get any money. Next, ooh, this one got a lot of money too, and this is number 7. And this one is by Queen Dollar. And it received 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and $19. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to use this to kind of scribble in the colors similar. And so we did 19. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so in total, this one here has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and $23. And this is a save 32. So we're making great progress with this one here. Next is my challenge, and it received $2. And we can't do anything with $2, so we're going to leave this as rollover. So nothing was finished today, but we did get these going, some more than others. These two didn't get anything, but this one got a lot, and this one received $2. So that is it for our minis portion. I will go into my most basic emergency savings fund. Okay, so we are on a different day. I had a busy weekend. I apologize for my mini Monday coming out super late. Today is actually August 10th. And the first portion of the video was pre-recorded on Friday, the 7th. So I'm going to jump in, and we've completed our mini Monday portion, and I'm going to jump in and do our most basic emergency fund. And we are going to be adding, today we are going to add $100. And you know, it's so funny. I don't know what I was thinking, but 1 second. Oh. I'm like, where did I put the money? Okay, so this week I am putting $100 in to the most basic. And so I'm going to put this here. I need to condense, but I'm adding $100 this week. I'm going to set that there, and I am going to speed you guys up as I color in. Oh, wait, we need our calculator. Okay, so we're going to -7 on this page. So here we go. These are super wet. So we're gonna, 93 minus 22. Wow. Perfect. Okay, so that is it for our mini Monday. I can't believe that we are just about finished with this book. And this simply goes to show you that Every little dollar amount helps. I started this right after my dental emergency, and each day I have been clawing my way dollar by dollar, and dollars roll into $5, into $10, into $20, and here we are. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.